Welcome back, guys. So right now, after I've created the BMC, what we want to create next is a business plan. So we could automate that as well. So you could offer this as a service to clients as well. You could create business plans for different people. It's part of what you do, because when you work on the website, you could work on the branding of the website from the very onset. So right now, I want to create a business plan. So I would say create a well structured and well well layered business plan for this business idea. So I'm going to proceed this way. I'm going to start this way. So let's see what that will do for us. So before we proceed, as you could see, this is a business plan, and here it is. It has the WordPress optimization and SEO services, from the business name to the founder to the business model, service based, one-time optimization, monthly maintenance, digital products. That is the business model. The target markets will be small businesses, e-commerce store owners, bloggers, and web designers. And we have the key services, we have the revenue streams, we have the vision statements, we have the business description, we have the market analysis, we have the target market, and everything services offered. We have it all here. So what we want to do is to see how to implement this, how to like format this. But we have a business plan right here. So I could use my Google Docs. Actually, I could use my Google Docs. We've been using Google Docs right from the very onset. So I could use it to have all this copied, so we could create something magical. So I'm going to come right here to create something magical. I could easily tell ChatGPT to create this into a document. So I would say create a Word document for this business plan. So you could create that. So let's see what it creates for us, and we're going to differentiate it with this. So let's download the business plan right here, and the file is not found. So I don't need to struggle too much. All I have to do is to come here to copy this. Then we're going to create our business plan ourselves. So here we are. So we could copy all these, and you see if you need refinement. So let me copy all these, and here we are. So I'm going to start from a blank document. So I'm going to use a blank document on Google Docs. Then I'll say business plan. I would say business plan. So let me just Control A. So let me say online. So this will be online business plan. So I'm on to online. So this will be online business plan. Here we are. So I'm going to paste that right here. So let's paste all we have right here. So here it is, and I just have that pasted. The tables are not coming forth. The tables are just scattered. So let's see what we have right here. And this is the very table we have, and the table is right here in the revenue projection. So you could see this is a table, just a 2-column, and all I have to do is to make sure this table is redrawn. So I could redraw the table. How do I go about that? So I could come here. Yes, so let's see. Let me see insert. Let's see table, and you have your table right here with a building block. So what you want to do now is to, let's see if there's anything like a design to design this table. So here we are. These are table right here. Pin header up to this row. So I could just insert more rows and all that. But here is a table, and I'm just going to try to see if there's a way we could design this. So you could say format, and that's what we're formatting. We're formatting the table. So here we have a table right here. So you could insert every other thing. You could insert all this. So you could have your table properties. So let's check for table properties. Work offline and don't miss a beat. Access your docs sheet offline or your internet connection. So let's do that again. Let's try to work on the table. So I'm going to say format, yes, and table, and here table properties. So we're going to come to table properties. So let's see a quick layout for tables. Let's see the table itself. Let's see a layout for it, and it says style. It says all this. So let's see color. So let's see color for the table. table border. So let's make sure it's like 1 point. Yes, so it's going to show right there. So that's what I just did. So we have a table border right here, just to see that this is a table and 1 to 3 months. It has revenue projection and break even analysis. So this is just a 5-page business plan, which is very good. Your business plan sometimes needs to be short, so this is a shorter business plan. You could go ahead to make it a bigger business plan. All you have to do is to create a basic edit for this. So you could insert your business name right here. So you could say Billard Creative. Yes, you could say Billard Creative. That will be the business name, and the founder will be Beloved Adejigbe. So I'm just going to do some basic edits. So I'm going to say Beloved Adejigbe is the founder, and the model, the business model, has the service based, which has one-time optimization, monthly maintenance, digital products, target audience, and we have everything in that. So I'm going to close the table properties, and here we have the vision statement, and here is business description. So the business description says Billard Creative. So this is Billard Creative, specializes in improving website speed and all that, market analysis, small business owners. So every other thing is right here. So all we have to do now is to, I'm going to say, this says next step says finalize service offerings and pricing structure, set up website and freelance post profiles, start client outreach, and secure first 5 clients. So let's do this right now. So let's make sure we have a bigger business plan. So I'm going to do this right now. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say, so let me just copy this. Let me have this copied, and I'm going to say, give me a detailed and comprehensive business plan using this information. So we're going to say using this information, and we're going to proceed with what we have. So I'm going to paste that information right here, the information I copied. I'm going to paste it here in my prompt, and it's analyzing that for us. So let's see what we want to have right now. So let's wait for it to analyze and bring back a result. So you could do the same. You continue from where we were doing this from here, and you could just leave this right here. So I would say create a BMC. You could create with this, and you could just see this right here. So let's see if that will be downloadable. Let's see if this is a downloadable file, and it just created a comprehensive business plan for us. So let's wait and see what it's created for us. So this is ChatGPT creating a document for us, and here is a comprehensive business plan for what we want to do. And let's see how many pages it's created. So this is 5 pages right now, and that way we've found different ways to create a business plan. You could go ahead to tweak it however you want. You could create from the prompts we've been having since the beginning of this course, and you have a different result and a well refined result. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.